Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY wet palette for miniature painting. So what you'll need is a Tupperware tub with a lid, a sponge that is the same size as your tub, some greaseproof paper, and you will also need a pair of scissors to cut the greaseproof paper with later on. So let's get started. I had to use 3 separate sponges and cut them to the size of the tub because I didn't have a sponge the same size. So what you'll do is you'll place the sponge in the tub and then you will take your greaseproof paper and cut it to the size of the sponge area and you'll place it on top like so. And then what you'll need to do once you've done that is you'll have to add some water to the tub, which will then be soaked up by the sponges, and then essentially once that's done you have a DIY wet palette for under £5. The DIY wet palette is really handy. It can keep your paint wet for a couple of days. If it starts to go mouldy, just make sure that you discard it and then you can start afresh by following the same process. It's also very handy if you're mixing paints for a specific colour. A Tupperware tub with a lid is preferable, as you can then place the lid on top and then you can keep it safe and secure for a couple of days. Thank you for watching. That is the end of my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to comment and also do subscribe to my channel to see more geek related content.